what I'm gonna do now, I am actually gonna take the boiler out. To keep all this in check, let me take a picture. It does not have any thermal compounds. Whoopa! There's a gasket here. This became an interesting project. What's making it interesting is like that the boiler is screwed in, but then, I don't know. Well, let's continue. Amazing! Wow. Another screw broken. No way. Three broken screws. Ooh. Three-way. Boy. I'm glad I opened it up. But the biggest issue now is that the boiler has broken screws. Crap. This is a very dumb design. How do you want me to, when I'm unscrewing, at least this bolt should, I'm not necessarily worried about bolts. I have plenty of bolts. This is dumb. This is a very dumb design. What holds the group head holds the boiler. I don't know. And even from this angle, what do I put in here to unscrew? I don't have space to put in a ratchet. There's like, how? This has to be just poor design. I guess I'll need to drill it out. Fudge. Oh! It's out. It's quite interesting, this thing. Look at that nasty stuff. Bottom of the boiler is gonna go straight to Kafita. And then the boiler is gonna need some more water. Look at the bubbly jubbly. There are gaskets here, silicone. Yeah. Okay, I'll let it work. Okay, time for this baby to go into the scaler. I have these spare gauge bolts, and my idea is to go from the bottom, extend this hole here. Okay, we need an equivalent to this gasket. And this looks like this one squished. Perfect. Perfect. Now we're gonna add some thread locker. Let me just put some lube. Okay, that's that. This one. Thermal paste. Oh, this one goes here. Time to play. No. No. Didn't think about that. This thing goes in between. Oh man. Needed longer screws because the sheet metal here is thicker, so it is what it is. Okay, moment of truth. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Took some time, but there we go. These are the old ones. We got the new ones. Interesting. Don't mind me. It's a reverse thread because it's a grinder. I should have been smarter than this, but this is what it is. It's easier than I thought. Good. Go around. There we go. Just a test. Noise. Sometimes you just make mistakes. I swapped the orientation for the top. Okay, I put some beans inside. Turn it on. Nice. Nice and fine. It can go a little bit finer. Let's go. Burrs are replaced. It grinds. I did a thorough refurb of all the internals, descaled everything, disassembled, reassembled. It's heating up, and let's see if we can do a El Manuale shot like it was supposed to be done back in 1999. This is so dumb. Yeah, I don't know how to tamp it. I don't know how. This is a 54 mil tamper. Yeah, the grinding is good, so I'm choking the machine, and just the tamping is the problem. This tamper is useless to my life. It survived the torture. It's hot. Yeah, it's a little bit overdosed. That's on me. It's working. I fixed it. There's no leaks. It's grinding fine. It can choke it. The thing that's annoying right now is the tamper here. I'm going to see if I can 3D print the tamper because that's the only thing that's lacking. Yeah, man. Well, I'll be damned. I must say, puck is relatively dry. This is phenomenal. If you like these machine restorations, stay tuned. There's more stuff to come. I love just pulling an awesome shot from an old machine. It's just very satisfying. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Dule Rabbit. Keep tinkering, and I'll see you in the next one.